Make a great choice today with the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.